Hey everybody, it's Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and I am so excited to be combining an unboxing with a tips and tricks. At least I hope it's a tips and tricks. Try to say that 5 times fast. Just go ahead and pause right now. Let's try. Anyway, let's see if I glue my fingers together. I almost did once when I tried this the first time at the retreat. So keep watching, see if I do a great job, and I hope that this helps you be inspired at how easy it is to make your own cover minder. See you in a minute. Hey everyone, I thought showing my book would be the perfect intro to this video, as I am going to do an unboxing, but also I am going to attempt on camera without editing to make my first cover minder ever on my own. Well, I shouldn't say that because somebody showed me how to glue a magnet onto a cover minder at the retreat, and I did do it, but they were there to help me. So I bought what they had and decided I'm going to create my own cover minder and show you guys. But I also need to unbox what I purchased from Etsy so you can see the wonderful Christmas cover minders I have planned for us. But this is also how I came up with my diamond painting guide and logbook, jumping in with both feet, investigating, figuring it out one thing at a time, and then putting it into the book so that you can learn the same techniques that I and many creators over the past 2 to 3 years have discovered. So check it out. It is available. The links are down below at Rocky Nook, Barnes & Noble, and Amazon. If you do choose Rocky Nook, which is the same price as the others, you can get a 40% off using the code DIAMONDS. I don't know how long that code's going to last, so quick, go pick it up. It is now available in ebook as well as print copy. Okay, so let's get serious. All right. Here is my Etsy box that I purchased. I purchased this from Catherine Critters, and it is polymer clay, these little adorable things that she makes, and I'm super excited to try it out and see what it is. All right, I was going to use scissors, but I did find my little mini slasher. Maybe that's what I should call it since we're around Halloween. I love these. I picked a couple up on AliExpress for just, you know, a dollar-ish a piece. So as you can see, she has it wrapped nicely. Super quick shipping. I don't know what's in each one. Okay, this one. So we're just going to open it up and see. All right, so there's that. Love the tissue paper. There's that. Love the tissue paper. Okay. Look at these guys. They're little adorable snowflake gnomes. Aren't they adorable? They're made out of polymer clay, and I had to get them. All right, so basically she does a set of 3 little gnomes, but it's a set of 3. I can't see exactly the cost. I know my total order with shipping was $20.14. And I got 3 adorable little gnomes. And I want to turn at least one of them into a cover minder. And then, look at this. A little handmade snowman. Is he not adorable? He's got his little, oh my gosh. This was only $3, people. $3 for this snowman. And he is absolutely adorable. And then she sent me a little surprise hat. How cute is that? So I think I'm going to turn, and I have all these little fun things I'm collecting. Like I have this little guy, get this from the retreat. I have my little, so I'm just collecting all these little guys that sit over here and keep me company. And I had to get these when I saw them. So I think I'm going to turn, oh, there's a hair in here. All right, so I think I'm going to turn him because I don't think this will come off as easily as that. So I think I'm going to turn him and this little guy into a coverminder. Look at this. All of these, plus, I mean, including the shipping, was $20.14 on Catherine's Critters. And she has a lot of different things. She's got animals, some Christmas stuff. All right, so I'm going to attempt to make coverminders on camera. Now, when I did this at the retreat, I almost glued my fingers together. It was almost painful, but not quite. All right, so I just guessed, and I bought, it looks like 300 piece. Look at all that. So I bought, it's 6 by 2 millimeters. So they're supposed to be 6 millimeters across and 2 millimeters deep. I think next time I'll go for the 8. I just was guessing. I'll have the link down below. Ooh, spin the magnet. And then I got this Gorilla Glue. And the reason I got this is you can squeeze the outside. And this was at the retreat. And I was like, oh, that's cool. So you can have a little bit more precision. And on the back it says only 1 drop per square inch. I did more than a drop, so that's why my fingers got stuck together. Again, I'll put these links down below. I got these from Amazon just because it was quick shipping. I'm sure they have the Gorilla Glue at any, you know, hardware store or multi-purpose store. Okay, let's see what we got here. Normally on super glue, you use the top to puncture. I don't think that's the case this time. Maybe you just screw it on. Yep, let's read the directions, Jennifer. Turn cap and nozzle firmly to the right until fully engaged to break the seal. Fully engaged, people. We want full engagement. Okay. Let's get this little guy out of the way. And then we can turn left. Ooh. So what I like is you can squeeze the sides here as needed. All right, so we're gonna take one of these off. Oh, it's overflowing. All right, what am I gonna do with the overflow? It's like it needs some help. So I'm gonna use some of this bubble wrap so it doesn't leak through, hurt me. Ah, it's still breathing. Okay. So we're gonna, since it's breathing, we're gonna use that little dot. And I'm just gonna put him right there. Hold it for a second. And now it's, and what I like is because it has some feet right there, it's gonna lay almost flat for us. And then on the hat, let's do another one. Since it's still breathing, I'm gonna just put that dot there. Put the hat right on top. Okay, so then there's the magnet right there. I'm gonna put this lid on because I do not want to. But I'm scared. I'm scared it's gonna glue itself on because it keeps breathing. People out there who do this, tell me what's going on. Okay. So the other ones I'm going to keep for me because I don't want the snowman to turn color with me touching it a lot. And I love these little snowflakes. All right, so now I'm going to take the magnet and whoop, see, now you got two magnets. So this bottom magnet is going to go on underneath your diamond painting, and the top magnet stays on your coverminder holder. And then they come together and it holds back your cover when you're diamond painting. I would probably need to upgrade sizes on this. They're perfect for my little gnomes, but I do like the bigger size. It was hard for me to see, and I was too lazy to go get a measuring tape. So next time I buy magnets, which I have now, I used 4 of them up, so I have 394 magnets left. But next time I buy magnets, I think I'll do like a 10, an 8, or a 10 millimeter. But that's what I'm learning. I'm learning so I can put them in the book. So I love you all. I hope you enjoyed this. Check out this creator on Etsy. Down below is the link. And I am so excited about my snowman and my gnome. I'm all ready for Christmas. So until next time, be blessed. Take care. Love y'all. Bye-bye.